I don't need to be a king. I just want to spread my feelings into a perfect night. Close your eyes. So I can smell your secret rose and give you my remorse. And stars falling like drops.